Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Netflix and selecting the profile whose subtitles you want to change. On a computer, click your profile icon and choose Account to access profile and parental controls. On mobile or TV, go to your profile settings, make sure the device supports subtitle customization because some TV apps limit options. Once done, find the subtitle appearance or language link under the profile controls. That first link takes you straight into the customization area, so tap or click. Now you're in the appearance panel and you can change font, size, and color. Pick what reads best at your screen distance. Increase size or choose bold if clarity matters. Change color for accessibility versus aesthetics. Next, tweak the background opacity, window style, and edge settings to boost contrast. Those options help text stand out over bright scenes. Make choices while watching the live preview so you see the result in context, and then press Save to apply settings to that profile. Finish by saving your changes and reloading Netflix, then play any title to confirm the new subtitle appearance. If the new style doesn't appear immediately, sign out of the profile and sign back in or close and reopen the app. On mobile, clear the app cache. If settings still won't stick on a TV, update the Netflix app or the TV firmware. Older app versions can ignore custom styles. If you still see issues, try modifying on the web, then check the device again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.